What's going on, y'all? So this is going to be for item number 2 here. Let's see. So I went into GeoGebra, and first I went online and I decided I was just going to use straight lines. I was going to build a triangle to show the distances between Bowling Green, Hamilton, and Ashtabula. Went online, found the straight distance between each. So the distance between Hamilton and BG in a straight line is 144.63. And a straight line between BG and Ashtabula is 155.79. And then in between Hamilton and Ashtabula is 261.18. Each of these are miles. Then I also went online. I found out that the Fermat point of a triangle is the point such that the total distance from the 3 vertices of the triangle to the point is the minimum possible. So that means that this point E here is the shortest distance traveled from H to E, B, G, and A. This is where it would be the shortest distance for them all to come together and meet. You found that by had to build equilateral triangles off each side of the triangle, and then take the vertice of that triangle. So you take this vertice here, C, and you connect it to H. You take the vertice out here of D and connect it to BG here, and then you would take the vertice of B and connect it to A, Ashtabula, and the intersection of those lines is the shortest distance from each, the shortest possible distance from each vertex. The total shortest distance from each vertex. So I went into a Google Doc and I tried to overlap these images, and I got it. This is probably as close as I've gotten it from Ashtabula to BG to Hamilton. This one's the most off here. But so looking here, if you can see that point E, this would be their meetup spot. So it looks like it'd be just like northwest of BG somewhere.